Hello, welcome to Vulkee Arts. So let me share another quick story about me and a buddy of mine back in Ban Vinai, Thailand. So we were about maybe 4 or 5 years old, and there's these apartments that's raised up, and there's like a little, what do you call it, like a space under it. That apartment is raised up with wooden poles, so you can actually hang out underneath it. And me and my buddy, we went up to the apartment by my parents' apartments, and we were looking down, and there's like a porch, so we were looking down under the floor because those are wooden, like maybe not 2x4, but just some kind of wood. There's below, and I looked down and I saw a little girl just walking around down there, and I told my buddy, and he said, "Hey, let me go catch her and say what, hi to her." So as my buddy goes down, I looking at the girl, and she's there. But when my buddy went down, she took a run to the left. My buddy chased her. She quickly went to the right. My buddy went there. She quickly went uh, up. And then I realized that, hey, maybe she's not human. So I yelled to my buddy and say, hey, maybe it's a ghost. She's being fast, you know. So my buddy got scared. He came upstairs. We both looked down. The little girl was gone. So that was one of the many incidents that I encountered in Ban Vinai, Thailand. Alright, you have a good one, and I'll share some more as time goes by. Take care.